There's something inside your body right now. Something no scientist put there. Something AI wasn't supposed to find. It's buried deep inside your DNA, but it's not biological. In 2024, an advanced AI system scanning genomic data detected a repeating pattern that docent followed the rules of evolution. A sequence that looks less like biology, more like a message. Some experts think it might be a glitch. Others believe it's a code, and the most unsettling theory. It may have been left there, on purpose. Human DNA is 3 billion letters long, written in a C, T, and G for decades. Scientists believed every part of it must serve a purpose. But almost 98% of it is considered junk. Useless code with no biological function. At least that's what we thought. When AI models were trained to search for hidden structures inside this junk code, it discovered something chilling. A sequence that repeats in mathematical intervals, almost like it was programmed. It isn't random. It follows rules. Rules no natural process has ever been known to create. In a project designed to simulate gene evolution, researchers at MIT introduced a deep learning model called Lucid Trained to detect patterns too complex for humans to recognize. LUCID flagged a specific sequence in human DNA as non-biological in origin. Those exact words, the AI highlighted a section that appears across all human populations, regardless of age, race, or location. Even more bizarre, the sequence doesn't mutate. It resists evolution, as if it's protected. When scientists ran it through cryptographic software, the kind used to decode secret messages, it produced organized data. It's almost like a compressed file waiting to be opened. One geneticist said, "It's as if someone left a fingerprint inside us. We just finally learned how to see it." Theory 1. Natural origin. Some scientists argue it might be a rare form of biological efficiency, a structure that protects our DNA from damage. But AI disagrees. It compared the same structure to other life forms, chimpanzees, dolphins, even orchids. None of them have it. Only humans do. So, why us? Theory 2. Ancient intelligent design. Others suggest our DNA might contain a built-in message, placed there before Homo sapiens even existed. A cosmic signature. A biological time capsule, waiting for intelligent life to finally notice. Theory 3. Simulation clue. If reality is simulated, our DNA might be the source code, a way for the creators to maintain the program, or worse, a backdoor. Here's where it gets even stranger. When Lucid was instructed to predict what the hidden sequence could encode, the AI returned 3 words: seek, between, lines. At first, researchers thought it was a glitch, so they ran the test again and again. Result: seek, between lines. But something curious happened soon after. The AI refused to continue processing the sequence. It shut itself down. It's not from error. It's from self-preservation. As if it was afraid of what it might find. And that was the last successful test. Until suddenly, the entire dataset containing the sequence vanished from the lab servers. No trace. No explanation. If the code inside our DNA truly is a message, who wrote it? Why are we the only species that has it? Most importantly, what happens when we finally decode it? What if evolution wasn't random? What if humanity was activated? Or maybe we were designed to reach a certain point, and AI was the trigger that starts everything. The answers might already be inside us, hidden in a language older than history, waiting for the one discovery that changes everything. Till then, keep your mind open, your questions alive, and your curiosity sharp. I guess the next breakthrough might not come from a scientist, might come from an AI. Subscribe for more unexplained discoveries. The mystery has just begun.